Okay, people. Hello, Ella Roots here, and today I finally got the Padock Island jumping, and I'm very happy. I finished these 2 quests, ouch, which I was very sad because I couldn't finish them, and I had, no quests to do. Anyways, let's just do this, because I restarted because I wanted to show y'all, and I had my YouTube going, so I can't talk, because I watch YouTube while I play. This is really fun. I've been wanting this competition ever since I watched, the 10,000 subscriber special for Adelaide eventing, because there's a competition in this, and she in it, and it's here. Whoa, this is a very strange line of fences, extremely strange. I've been wanting that for so long, you don't even know. That was such a weird sound. Yay, and yes, now we finally have the race board. So yes, if you're wondering, you have to be level 14. And just for anybody who has trouble with this thing, there's one point in the game where you have to, talk to this person. It's not safety issues. It's a robot. It's just part of the game. You have to talk to them. And, basically, I'm gonna do that when I come back later on Ice Wish. Actually, who cares? I want to do it again. Yay. Because it's really fun, and I feel like it's really challenging, but it's really good to challenge Onyx Magic. He's not too happy because I wasn't on at all yesterday. So, yeah. The weird thing is I think it should give you, 250 experience points instead of just 150, because it's so tricky. But that's the thing with all, jumping courses. Whoa, that was, legit, this is, whoa. And the best part is you can knock down poles. Oh my god, I forgot about people, hearing that in videos. I'm gonna try to knock down some poles. Ah, dang it. Onyx Magic is just too good. Ah, good boy. Ah, dang it. I keep on, chatting something to Rose. Yay, I got first. Yeah, so you can knock things down, and I think that's really a thing in the jumping arena that needs to be fixed. Ooh, 35 seconds. We're gonna try. So yeah, I thought I'd bring y'all here, so basically on the person, I'm gonna tell you after, sorry. Whoops, I forgot about this angle. At least I almost did. Come on, boy. Elliot. What? Okay, I just got all of those. Wow. No, I'm trying. I'm gonna start again. Oh, dang it. I love that race, though. I've been wanting it for so long. I remember this was before I got nobody else in my club is on, and we lost 4 members. Ugh. At least we had more than the last time. Long story. But basically, for the quest that I really can't do, or I used to not be able to do, it's there's this person, and basically you have to prove that they were at the Sunfield farm the night before. So you go through questions, and then the first question on top says you have to say you weren't home last night, and they'll be da-da-da saw you, da-da-da saw you, da-da-da saw you. It's actually the top person. You click on the top person, and then it's how do you know? And then it's you click on the next top thing, which is tracks from a broken horseshoe, and then the next thing you have to say you weren't home last night. And then you actually have to do the quest where you play hide and go seek with the twins, and then it'll open up. At first it's only Aiden or August saw you, but then it opens up the twins saw you, and you have to click on the twins saw you, and then you have to click on the top option, and that's how you do it. So if you're wondering, now you don't need to. I'm gonna do that race one more time because I think that is just so cool. We're definitely gonna be doing. The only thing is that the obstacles don't stay out, and that I'm not saying that's the only thing because I don't like it, but I actually think that's very good because some people may use this for a jumping arena, but I feel like it's more realistic because in real life, the jumps wouldn't just always be left out. In a jumping arena, I get that because like in the arena, there's jumps always there, and I get that, but I feel like at this kind of place, this could be used for also other stuff, which is really good. Because you don't want to be trying to do dressage and just bump into a thing. I do not think your horse would like that very much. Come on, boy. We got this. And I get that... Oh, dang it. I'm going to try that again. And I get that my horse, like, honestly, people say that my horse, often in SSO, they say my horse looks ugly, or ugh is what they use the term for. How they say it. And no, he's not ugly. And first of all, anybody who might watch my videos and might tell me that. What? Nope. I thought that said like a show at the riding hall. Oh, hi, Wilma. I'm kidding. I don't know that person. Hey, they're wearing the expert saddle. I have that. Sorry. Something. I don't know. I was left in thought. Anyways, yeah. I just love that. I'm gonna do this one more time because I want to, and then I'm either gonna let y'all off or I'm just gonna let you guys hang out and watch me do some quests. So yeah, now I only have one quest that I can't figure out how to do, and that's one by Fort Pinta. You have to basically find, I did the part where you have to find the grave of Mississippi Jones, but the part that I can't do is, then you have to find the treasure. I can find the treasure, but then you have to visit, oh dang it, a tree, and I can't find that tree. It's in Hollowwoods, but I can't find that tree. Well, they should at least mark it out somehow, and wow, I'm getting like millions of faults. Anywho, that was very fun. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'ma just do some quests, let y'all watch along with me. Who are we gonna start first? I'm gonna start with Hannah. I don't know. Oh, I thought that was Dorothy, but no, now I remember Dorothy. Oh, I'll have to go do the Valedale champ, because the Valedale champ, if you did not know, it is my favorite champ. And I'm trying to do every champ that I can. I can't do the New Hillcrest one, because I don't have New Hillcrest. Because it's like you have to unlock Epon to get New Hillcrest. Actually, yeah, you have to unlock the Harvest Counties, I should say. Someday, guys. I was just thinking, I'm sorry, I'm alive, don't worry. What? Did that say something about... Okay, phew. I thought that said something about Donald the Builder, and if you didn't know who Donald the Builder is in this game, it's the person who helps you unlock your fixed stables. By the way, for my request on a home stable, I would definitely say picking a home stable is a very important thing. You should really give it a lot of time and stick with Moorland when you first get Star Rider, and then choose whatever stable you like the most. Spend a lot of time at different stables. Figure out what the stable has to offer. If you're the type of person who would like to be out in the country but still close to where you can get good jumping, then I would definitely suggest Steve's. And I really like it because, like, it's a very quick travel to basically anywhere. It's basically in the center of everywhere because that's Silverglade Village, and I call it the heart of the map. Because I get it's hard to get from Jorvik Stables from Silverglade Village, but yeah? One sec. Hi, yo. Oh my god. Oh great, I'm so sorry, people. I'm sorry. See you guys next time. Bye. It's hard to explain. Bye. See you guys next time. Hope y'all enjoyed.